Do you love creamy and healthy desserts that help your brain stay sharp? Then you'll fall in love with this flavorful and irresistible cheesecake inspired from pasca, a Romanian recipe my mom used to make every Easter. I made a few tweaks to the traditional recipe to make it healthier. Less sugar, more fruit, and no white flour, and the result is quite impressive. I'm so excited for you to try it. I know that this brain-boosting cheesecake will become one of the recipes you'll make often. What I like about this recipe is that it needs few ingredients and only a blender and a cake pan. It comes together very quickly. We start with all the ingredients at room temperature. In a high-powered blender, we combine the almond flour, coconut palm sugar, cottage cheese, cream cheese, eggs, and vanilla extract. Blend well until the mixture is velvety smooth. Eggs, rich in protein, choline, and B vitamins, play an important role in neurotransmitter production, boosting focus, alertness, and optimal brain function. For this recipe, we are using cottage cheese that has curds and whey. I tried using the pressed cottage cheese and the result has a grainy texture, not smooth as I would have liked. One amazing thing about cottage cheese is that it has the amino acid tyrosine, a precursor to dopamine, norepinephrine, and epinephrine. These three are neurotransmitters involved in concentration and clarity.
Next, let's add the orange zest and mix it gently with a spoon. The next steps are to line an 8-inch pan with parchment paper and grease it with coconut oil or your favorite oil. Then pour half of the cheese mixture into the pan.
If you use a pan with detachable walls, it will make it easier to remove the cheesecake once baked. Now we layer the cheesecake with raisins, strawberry, and orange pieces before adding the remaining cheese mixture. And decorate with more raisins and slices of strawberries and oranges. If you don't like raisins, you can leave them out. You can also substitute strawberries and oranges with your favorite fruits. This recipe is quite flexible. Strawberries, rich in antioxidants called flavonoids, improve blood flow to the brain. This in turn helps brain cells get more oxygen and nutrients, promoting better attention and clarity. Plus, the fiber in strawberries helps keep blood sugar levels steady so the brain can stay focused and alert for longer. Next, we place the pan in the cold oven and bake at 320 Fahrenheit until the cheesecake is medium brown on top and set in the middle.
It's hard to wait, but we have to allow it to cool completely before removing it from the pan and slicing it.
There you have it, a cheesecake that is as delicious as my mom used to make, but it's healthier and it makes me feel really good to offer it to my family. Are you ready for another brain-boosting treat? Join me as we whip up decadent and fudgy brownies that will boost your mood with their heavenly ingredients.